This is the video for 2.2 for isometrics. Again, we're going to show you an example here and describe it with text. So you will start out with the two isocircles and do the following with the horizontal line at the bottom and the correct dimension from center to center. Moving forward, everything that's new will be in green as we go. You're going to draw 3 more isocircles and select the proper dimension over and up, correct dimension up, over and up for those. And then once you have that, move forward, and again you can pause the video as you need. I'm just going to give you time to read this. Basically, you're just putting in tangential lines on the outside. Once you have this, you can move forward. The offset will be 1/4 of an inch, so you can draw a line back at 30 degrees, 1/4 of an inch, and copy everything, offset it from this point back to this one to get your depth. Use your trim command to end up with this view and add your center line. And double check it with your dimension command, and that will be 2.2.